welcome to the Joy of Yoga and our 30-day challenge. We're going to be focusing on hips. So whether or not this is a goal in your practice, this will just help you to feel better in your body. So let's go ahead and start in our downward dog. We're going to pull our hips back, paddle out those feet. Inhale, lift your left leg. Exhale, shift forward and step that foot to the top of your mat. If you need help scooching it, you can. Lowering the back knee down, lifting the heart nice and tall. We'll inhale, back off. Exhale, shift forward. Inhale, back up. Exhale, lean forward and hold. Breathing here. Make sure you can see your toes in front of your knee. One more deep inhale. Exhale, pull those hips back to straighten your front leg. You can point and flex, windshield wiper. Feel where you get to stretch the most and hang out there. Heart is lifting, spine is long. One more deep inhale here. Exhale, shift forward into that lunge one more time, lifting up tall. And then exhale, scoot your back knee back, front leg forward to whatever degree here. You don't have to go all the way down or strain anything. Just go to where you feel the stretch comfortably. Keep your heart lifted. If you need blocks or some books to help lift your chest up, you can. And then same thing, point and flex. You can rock side to side nice and slow. Leaning forward, leaning backward, controlling your body. Where do you feel the stretch the most? Beautiful. Then we're gonna exhale, walk our hands over to the right, set our left knee down, and then taking your knees as wide as you can, bring your legs to a 90-degree angle. Go ahead and lower your forearms to the earth and then pull your hips back towards your heels, lifting your tailbone. Breathe. One more inhale. Exhale, try and slide your toes forward so that way you can come to your middle split. So my legs are stretched out wide and I'm pulling my hips back between my heels again. Still on my forearms, or if you can't reach, you can stay here. Breathing, lifting that tailbone. One more inhale. Exhale, slowly rock your body all the way to your bottom. Bend your knees before bringing them together. And then let's come back into our downward dog. Pressing the ground away, lifting those hips up, nice long neck. Lift your right foot this time. Exhale, shift forward, step it between your hands. Lower the back knee down and then inhale to straighten that leg. Exhale, shift forward 2 more times. Inhale, exhale. Once more. Beautiful. Hold here. Pull that right hip back, left hip forward. Heart is lifting, neck is long. And then on your next inhale, shift those hips towards your feet, point, flex, windshield wiper. Settle where you feel it the most. Lengthening that heart. One more inhale. Exhale, shift forward. Breathe. And then inhale, walk that back knee back. Front leg forward. You don't have to be crazy here. Settling to just the edge. Go to your edge and then back off maybe 20 or 30% and see how that affects your practice. I'm not dropping all the way. There's no need to. I still get a stretch. Play with rocking side to side mindfully, nice and slow. If you feel the stretch the most in the front of your leg, you can kind of Lean forward, or if you feel it in the top of the back leg, you can arch back. Coming back to center, and then exhale, walk those hands over to the left now, setting your right knee down. Bring your knees as wide as they'll go, heels just behind the knees. Lower to the forearms if you're close enough, and then inhale, pull those hips back, lift your tailbone. Woo-wee. Say hello to frog pose. Say hello hips, I love you hips. I love you groins. Breathing. Neck is long. One more inhale. Exhale. See if you can scooch those feet all the way out to the side, and then pressing into your feet. Bring those hips back. Middle split. If you do this every day, even like twice a day, you'll start to see some results here. One more inhale. Exhale, slowly rock your bottom to the ground, bend, and then close. And then we'll bring our knees in together, giving them a nice little squeeze. Thank you, knees. Perfect. I hope that this helps you to feel better in your hips and start to see some results with getting deeper in your stretches. Thanks for following along. Namaste.